Let's talk about this policing. Semi-log graph results in exponential function model. Log-log graph results in power function model. Semi-log means common log of y equals mx plus b, or natural log of y equals mx plus b. For log-log graph, common log of y equals m times common log of x plus b, or natural log of y equals m times natural log of x plus b. The slope m is an exponent in exponential function model or power function model. The y-intercept b will become either 10 to the power of b or e to the power of b. It will be the coefficient in exponential function model or power function model. Therefore, for this exponential, we will write down y equals. Both m and x are exponent, either 10 to the power of mx times 10 to the power of b, or y equals e to the power of mx times e to the power of b. For power function model, y equals, this x must be the base, m is the exponent, times 10 to the power of b, or y equals x to the power of m times e to the power of b. Question 1. A satellite orbiting the Earth experiences a gravitational force F of d, which varies inversely as the square of its distance d kilometers from the center of the Earth. When d equals 7,000, F equals 40,000. Find an equation for F in terms of d. Keywords: varies inversely. So F equals k over d squared. We need to figure out this k. Do the substitution. 40,000 equals k over 7,000 squared. By solver, k equals, we got 1.69 times 10 to the power of 12. So F equals 1.96 times 10 to the power of 12 over d squared. This is the equation for F in terms of d. Let's go to A2. Find the value of F when d equals 3,500 kilometers. Go back, check the unit, kilometers. So we just need to plug in F equals 160,000. Let's go to B1. Identify which two of the following graphs would form a straight line. We can write down the equation into F equals 1.96 times 10 to the power of 12 times d to the power of negative 2. You could say this is the power function model. Based on this policy, log graph will result in a power function model. So d common log of f against the common log of d will form a straight line. Also, you could say the relationship between f and d to the power of negative 2 is linear. So say f against d to the power of negative 2 would also form a straight line. B2. For each of these two graphs, find the value of the gradient of the line formed. For say gradient equals 1.96 times 10 to the power of 12. For d, based on this policy, in log graph, slope is the exponent. So for d, gradient equals negative 2.